Welcome back to Auguilicious. So today out. Today is day 7 of this challenge and I've done some few stretches. I'll still be doing my work to complete above 120 calories and I'll be showing you guys the recap of what I've done. Stay tuned. I'll also tell you the nugget I have for today. Stay tuned. Let's go there.
Starlit skies whisper low. Dreams like rivers start to flow. Dancing shadows, silent tunes, chasing sunlight with the moon. Echoes of a hidden song, old and distant, right from wrong. Crystal notes like morning dew, trace the paths where secrets grew. Sing a sky painted melody with colors bright and free. Every tune a mystery in a boundless symphony. Footsteps on a mirrored lake, ripples form but never break. Whispered winds and whispered trees, the quiet hum of destiny. Sing a sky painted melody with colors bright and free. Every tune a mystery in a boundless symphony. Footsteps on a mirrored lake, ripples form but never break.
Welcome. Today I did some few stretches which I've showed you guys now and I'm out I'm out here doing another walk for day 7. So we are getting there. Let's see how long this goes. And if you like this video, let me know in the comment section because I'm really happy to get your feedback. Guys, always come back to Auguilicious to get more of these dose. These are morning dose, just challenging you out there. If you know you're doing such an exercise every day, let me know in the comment section. Or if you've not started, you want to start, let me know. Let me know if this video inspires you as well. I would love to hear back from you guys. So let me just round off by giving us the nugget for today. The nugget I have for today is DND. DND. Do not be discouraged. Continue that task, that journey, whatever it is you want to embark on. We have some few weeks in this year 2024. Do that and you'll be surprised and amazed what results it will yield. Let me know in the comment section your thought for the year before the year ends and see you guys in my next video. For now, is bye. Bye guys.